Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your hanging problem in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then let's open the this update. You have to turn off automatically update from here. Let's click on settings. You will see here it is download automatically. If these are open, like download automatically and using mobile data and automatically at night, you have to turn off this to fix your battery life also and hanging problem. uh, let's press back. You have to turn off sync and a backup option feature in your mobile phone. Click on this account and sync. If this is open, you have to turn off this, and this will conserve data and battery usage, but you will need to sync each account manually. Just click on OK and turn off this also. Third point, you have to fix and clear all the unwanted and necessary things, like image downloads, videos, audios and documents that are not in use. You have to just delete it. It will fix your hanging issue. And if some of the trash, some of the image and videos that are not useful, and you just click that are here in the trash bin or recycle bin, you have to clear it within 30 days, and it will overall fix your hanging problem also. And friends, you have to also clear your gallery backups, and just click on gallery. Here it is album. Scroll down, you will see recently deleted items. Just click on here. Friends, you can see here it is recently deleted items. If you just delete it from here, it will not delete it permanently. If you delete it permanently, you have to click on recently deleted items. Then you have to just long press to delete permanently like this, and click on delete like this, and it will be permanently deleted. And you can see this is how you can select all, click on delete, and it will be permanently deleted. It will clear your storage and hanging problem. And friends, you have to go to the security app to clear some cleaner and do security scan. First let's click on cleaner. It will delete cache files and packages, residuals and memory, and it is cleaning the trash size. Then press back. You have to optimize your performance, and it will fix your hanging problem also. And it will scan your all apps and datas, and you can see you have to do security scan. It will fix the privacy and security. Some of the apps are like APK. It will detect it and delete it. And you can see it is see the third party running apps that take storage and lags your device. You have to just click on boost speed, and it will stop the background running apps from here. And this will fix your phone and help to gain performance in your smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.